In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zammad to N8N, whether you're handling customer support tickets or managing client databases. Integrating these two powerful platforms can help automate and streamline your workflows efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to set up your trigger in N8N. Depending on your needs, you can opt for a manual trigger if you want to run the workflow on demand, a scheduled trigger for recurring tasks, or even a webhook trigger to react to certain events in real time. Choose the option that fits best with your intended workflow and operational requirements. Now that your trigger is in place, it's time to add the Zammad node to your N8N canvas. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tap into Zammad's functionalities directly from N8N. When adding this node, you'll need to choose the appropriate credentials. Make sure you've previously set up and saved your Zammad credentials in N8N to facilitate this step. This connection is crucial as it serves as the bridge between the two applications. Once your Zammad node is added and connected with the right credentials, you'll need to select the operation you wish to perform. For instance, you could choose Get Many Users if you're looking to retrieve a list of users from your Zammad instance. The operation you select should align with the task you want to accomplish, so take a moment to review the available options and pick the one that best suits your purpose. If you need to refine the data you're working with, consider adding a set node. The set node is optional, yet highly useful for filtering the information down to specific fields you're interested in, such as first names, last names, or email addresses. This not only helps in organizing your data, but also ensures that the subsequent steps in your workflow are working with exactly the information you need. Next, it's time to add an export node. In this case, an Excel node to create a spreadsheet. This step is helpful for those who want to document the data or analyze it separately. Setting up this node allows you to transfer the collected data into an Excel format, which can be invaluable for reporting or presentations. Now, with all your nodes set up and connected, it's time for the grand finale: running your workflow. Executing the workflow allows you to verify the data flow between Zammad and N8N. Observe the process to ensure everything works seamlessly and you're getting the expected results. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Zammad to N8N. This setup not only saves time, but also reduces errors by automating repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next tutorial.